holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tackle my makeup drawer here. This is my dressing table, like the vanity table that I have here. It's the IKEA Mom one. I have had this one for years and I love it. It's just so easy and minimalist and it just works perfectly for me. So today I'm going to tackle it because if you guys see what's in there, it's just a complete mess. My son has also been playing in my drawer, so just everything is all around. So first step that I did earlier is clean my makeup brushes here. You can see them all nice and clean. I cleaned them in my sink. I used the Johnson's baby shampoo because it works perfectly on brushes. This is what I've used for years. So I just cleaned them pretty nice, let them dry, and then I'm going to organize them back in my drawer. My next step is to take everything out of this drawer because I just can't work like this, so I just need to do in true Marie Kondo style, just take it all out and then reorganize it. So let's go and do that. Right, so I figured as I'm taking things out of the drawer, I'm actually going to walk you through some of the makeup bits that I have because I'm trying to have a more minimalist makeup collection, which I think I've had for a few years now, but I just feel like I'm kind of minimalizing more and more each year because I just realized, especially since I became a mom, I don't use that many makeup products and I have my favorites that I use every single day and then the rest of them just kind of sit in the drawer and maybe I will use them if I have like a special occasion, but realistically, especially this year, we don't have any special occasions. And yeah, I have some things here that are very old that I need to get rid of. So I'm going to start with these. Honestly, it kind of hurts to give these because I love them so much, but I actually realized they are very old. So I actually repurchased the Naked 2, but it is, I honestly cannot remember how many years old, so that's bad. Both of them are very old. So I'm just going to take them to recycling because we do have a makeup recycling bin in our Tesco's actually. So if you want to know where to recycle your makeup bits, maybe try your local supermarket. Yeah, these are very loved and very old, but I just don't want to continue putting on my eyes things that are, you know, expired and very old. So yeah, sadly I'm going to part with these two. And then yeah, I just thought I would take things out and put things that need to go to the bin or like to recycling, and then things that I'm keeping I'm going to put here so that I can, you know, kind of organize as I go along. This one is a bronzer from the Body Shop, which is also sadly expired, so I'm going to have to take this to recycling as well. Then I've got my two foundations, which I use quite a lot. So as far as foundations go, I'm quite good. So I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which I absolutely love. So I wear this when I want a bit more coverage. I'm wearing it today. So yeah, it just kind of depends on what I'm doing. If I'm filming or if I have like a full day of things going on, I will wear this. If it's just like a regular day and I don't want to, you know, do anything fancy, I'm just going to use the Rimmel Lasting Radiance foundation. Really lovely one. It also has SPF in it. It's kind of a medium coverage, and then this one is much higher coverage. So these two are my foundations. And then I have a primer. This is the NYX or NYX Studio Perfect primer. Love this one. So I'm going to keep that. It's still got quite a bit left in there as well. And then I've got another NYX primer. I love the NYX products actually. This one is the waterproof eyeshadow primer. Love this one too. And then this one is the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. I love this, and it's still got, I think, this much left, so I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna repurchase it for sure when it's gone. And then this, look at this. Why do I even have that in my drawer? It's completely empty. It's the Maybelline and Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer. So I love this. I actually might repurchase this one instead of the collection just because I kind of switch back and forth between the two. But yeah, this one needs to go to the bin, definitely. And then this actually comes with this. I actually just washed the brush because it's like a brow brush. So I'm just going to put it back in. It looks like this. It's, you know, obviously very used. It's the L'Oreal Paradise Pomade. So this is for your eyebrows. It's called a brow gel pomade, although it's kind of powdery to me. It's really good. That's what I use on my eyebrows every single day. I've used this for, I don't think it's been a year since I've had this, so I think it's still good to go. But I might replace it at some point. And then I've got the Maybelline Tattoo Brow, which a lot of people rave about. So I bought it, I think, a few months ago, or I think maybe 6 months ago. I can't even remember, but it's the Easy Peel Off Tint. So basically, you just take this off and you put it on your eyebrows, and it's supposed to do like a tattoo, you know. So just gonna make the shape, and it's supposed to last for about, I don't know, 3 days. Gave this a try and I don't like it. So I'm not sure if it's just me, but I just applied it, I left it, it worked. Like, it does work, it will tint your eyebrows, but I felt like it was a bit too orangey for me, and I'm not sure if it's the shade or all of them are like that, because I read reviews afterwards and a lot of people said that it's quite orangey. And also, whenever I took off the peel, it took quite a few of my eyebrows off. So I didn't like that. So yeah, I don't like this. Maybe it's not for me, but yeah, I'm just going to give this away. And then this actually it's the MAC Prep and Prime Fix. It's a tiny sample that I got with a MAC order that I placed recently. And there's a bit of fluff here. So I'm just going to take this and clean it in the bathroom. So that's done. Now moving on to this bit. I've got random Tesco FNF from my earrings, probably. Just gonna put that in recycling. Then in here I've got the Rimmel Insta Fix and Go. I'm keeping this. This one is almost full because I didn't buy it too long ago. Love this. I've repurchased it many times to kind of prime. Then I've got the Primark foundation and contour stick. Now, I'm not going to lie, I think this looks lovely if you put it on. I don't have a problem with it, but it just takes so long to blend in and to get it looking right that I just don't use it ever. So I'm just going to give this away. But I do think it's a nice product if you have the time to kind of faff around with it. I just like to go in and out quick with my makeup. And then I've got the Rimmel Wonderful Brow. This is just kind of like a setting gel for your eyebrows. So after I use this, the pomade, I just kind of fill them in. And then I just kind of brush them through and use this to set them so they kind of stay in place all day. Love this one as well. Then I've got my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. Now, I'm not using mascara at the moment because I'm not sure if you can tell. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, but I got eyelash extensions about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, and they're still looking really good, and I obviously don't use mascara on them. Now, sadly, we are in tier 4 here, so I can't get them done again until we get out of tier 4, but I still think they look really nice so far. So hopefully they last a while, but I'm not using mascara at the moment, but I'm keeping this one for when I do, obviously. It's still got quite a bit left. This one is completely empty. I purchased this one when this one got empty, and I don't know why I didn't throw it away. I just always do that. Again, I've got this nail polish. It's Rimmel 60 Seconds. I've got it on my nails today. Love this one. It's in shade, I cannot find the shade of this. Oh, it's called Kiss a Sailor. Really cute one. So I'm gonna put this, actually I think I'm gonna organize things into face and then eyes, so that I can kind of have them in some sort of an order. And then I've got a tiny beauty sponge. I get mine from Primark. Then I have this, which I also have another one here. So these came with the Benefit. I have a Benefit bronzer and a blush, and they came with this, and I don't use them that often, but I think I'm just gonna keep them because sometimes I want, you know, just kind of like a deeper contour. So I'm gonna keep them for now because I know I'm gonna regret if I give them away. And then I've got the L'Oreal Perfect Slim Super Liner. I love this one, but I don't use it much, especially now that I've got lashes on. And I'm actually pretty sure it's expired because I've had this for so long. So I'm just going to take it to the recycling. And then this one I'm going to keep. It's the eye and eyebrow pencil, but it's a black one, so I don't use it on my eyebrows, obviously. So yeah, just really simple black pencil. I don't use this one very often either, but I'm gonna keep this because I feel like it's quite a staple to have a black eyeliner in your collection. This one goes to cleaning as well. So I have some nail polishes here. I've got the Sally Hansen kit. This one is for kind of like miracle gel nails. Love this one too. And then I've got my beloved Essie Blanc nail polish. I love this one. I wear it so much. I actually think it might be almost gone, so I'm gonna have to repurchase that too, but I'm keeping it for now because I don't have a replacement. And then I have these ones, just Rimmel super gel ones, really cute ones too. As you can tell, as far as nail polish goes, I'm a very neutral. I have this one, which I never wear, and I got this for Christmas as a Christmas present, and I'm so excited. It's the MAC Eyeshadow Palette. Now I got this to replace my Naked 2 ones, which I'm parting with today. I feel like it's so dramatic, but if you guys love makeup, you know how it goes. So this one is the MAC Amber x9 eyeshadow. Now it's tiny, like it's quite a small size, and I saw on the reviews some people didn't like that, but to me it's perfect because since it's tiny, it was actually less expensive than the usual MAC eyeshadow. So I think this was around £20 for the whole palette, which for MAC is quite good. And you get 9 colors, and yes, it's tiny, but the thing is, even if you look at my Urban Decay Naked ones, I don't use all the colors and I don't use them every single day, so it takes me quite a long time to go through eyeshadows. They last me quite a while, so I feel like this smaller size is absolutely perfect for me. And okay, I'm trying to give you an overview of the colors. This one's a bit more shimmery, you've got matte, you've got nice browns and the darker browns, so I just really love these. These are my colors, like beige, and it's got a golden one here in the middle, and then like brown tones. This is what I go for, and I do feel like these are the eyeshadows that kind of match my skin tone the best. So this goes in the eyes pile. Then I've got the Mary Luminizer. This is my highlighter that I use. I love this one so much, as you can tell. So I've used this a lot, but it's still going strong. I've actually repurchased this a few times, and I'm going to repurchase again because it's quite inexpensive for what it is, and it's really good quality. So yeah, keeping this one. I've got the Collection powder. This is just invisible setting powder for under my eyes and when I need a bit of a powder up. And I've got the Bahama Mama bronzer. I love this one. I'm going to show you just how much. That's what it looks like. It's absolutely disgusting because I used it every single day. So I just love this one, but it has to go because I can't use it anymore. And I actually got this one for Christmas. It's the Hula Benefit bronzer. So it looks like this, and I'm very excited because it's gorgeous. I am wearing it today. I really like it. I think it's really good quality. I mean, obviously it's Benefit, so it's going to be quite good. And then I got the Benefit Dandelion blush, which I actually don't wear blush very often. Maybe I should, but it's really cute pale pink one. Okay, in here I've got some false lashes, which I obviously don't wear them a lot, but I do keep them because I like to have them for, as I said, special events. And I also have these individuals, which are really good if you just want a bit of flair but not, you know, not go crazy. This is the cap from the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, but I just replaced it with the pump. I've got a pencil sharpener in case I need it for my products, and I've got the Ardell lash adhesive for the lashes, and I've got a random hand cream in here as well. And then here we've got all the lippy products and a random watch, which needs to go in the accessories pile. Okay, so I think I'm going to have a hard time going through these. I mean, giving some of these away because I love them so much, and I don't know if I'm gonna give any away, to be honest. I think I'm going to give the Primark one away. I only have this one. I had another one, but Victor broke it because he was playing with it, so I'm just going to give this one. So I've got my MACs, which I absolutely love and I'm not going to part with. I've got this one, which was a PR product. It's All the Lovers from Nick. It's just kind of like neutral. I'm all about the neutrals, to be honest, with my makeup, with my home decor, with everything. You guys know me. I've got 2 MAC lip pencils. I've got a Berry M lip pencil. I've got this one that I'm going to give away actually. And then I've got a whole load of NYX lip lingerie what are these called? Liquid lipstick. I absolutely love them. This is what I wear on my lips the most. And the one that is my favorite is this one from NYX. It's the corset shade. It's absolutely beautiful. I have it on my lips today, but just a little bit. I didn't want to go too crazy today. And I actually have two of those because I thought I lost one, this one, and I bought another one, and then I found the old one too, so I have two. Then I have a butter gloss from NYX. This is the Madeline one, that's what it's called. And it's lovely. It's kind of more of a peachy brown tone, but it's really lovely. And then I have this one from Berry M, and another liquid lipstick from MAC. This is actually a bit darker even than the shade in the packaging, but it's really lovely too. And like that Kylie Jenner look. And that is my, let me check. Yeah, that's my drawer empty, completely empty. And this is all the makeup that I'm keeping, so I don't think it's too much. You might disagree, but I feel like it's quite minimalistic for me at least. So now I'm going to go ahead, clean the trays, and then put everything back in place. And for anyone who's wondering, I have these trays. These two are from Wilko, and the other ones that I have are from IKEA. These are from Wilko too. So, and for cleaning them, I just either use baby wipes or makeup remover wipes. They work really, really well. I forgot to mention, but I am keeping the two brushes that came with the Urban Decay Naked palettes because they are really good, and why would I waste those? So this is my makeup drawer pretty much done. I've tried to organize it in kind of categories. So I've got face, eyes, lips, brushes, just kind of like that. Got some nail polishes there. I've put some planners here. So that's kind of what I've gone for. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you the motivation to do your makeup collection. If you are in need, especially since it's the beginning of a new year, it's the perfect excuse to declutter your things. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!